Hi, welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use correlation matrix in IDCube Pro. This feature builds a correlation matrix to visualize the cross-correlation between bands. The matrix identifies groups of highly correlated bands in the dataset for potential compression of data. The toolbox allows manual deletion of the redundant bands. To start, you'll want to open a file and then go to Toolboxes and select Correlation Matrix. The calculations will start immediately and produce a correlation matrix with a histogram. The process is now complete. You can then visualize the bands in the histogram panel here, or you can click the Reset button to restore it to the original view. You can also remove bands. To remove bands of highly correlated bands, you'll press the Remove Bands button and a table will launch with all the bands in the dataset. You can then select the bands that you wish to remove. You'll click Remove Band or Channel, and that band will be removed. Note that this is global and will affect the original dataset. To see a new correlation matrix, you will need to run this toolbox again. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.